I'm saying? Don't get mad at me, you know what I'm saying? If you can't paint, man, you know, UPS is hiring, Amazon is hiring, like all that, you know, just, if you mad at me because I'm you.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
All right, boy, Trigger Man, back in the lab. And today, what we have here, today we're doing a 3-stage pearl, a red pearl. Yeah, that's what we're doing today, and we're doing it with the Vevor. Boy, it's some people out there, boy, they mad at Trigger Man, boy. Trigger Man starting to get hate mail. Damn, they're getting death threats and all, man. All over this here, man. I don't know what's up with the Vevor gun, man. I'm telling you, man, people leave me messages. Oh, what kind of piece of shit person try to sell a cheap $89 gun? I'm talking about, man, damn, out the woodworks, man. Everything been smooth, boy. Everything been love, been fun. We've been having fun on the channel. But I done got a couple villains, boy. One on tell me, say, you don't even know what PSI is. None of the painters on YouTube, you don't know what PSI. And I'm like, man, these people tripping, man, all over the Vevor, because I made the Vevor look so good, man. Don't be mad at Trigger. Don't be mad at Trigger. It's not my fault. Come on, man. Let me rub it in your face, man. I'm gonna rub it in your face. I'm talking about they mad, man. Messages coming like crazy. Oh, the gun doesn't even have a rebuild kit. How can you try to sell that and say it's better than the DV1? It doesn't even have a rebuild kit. I'm like, huh? hey, man, it's crazy, man. These people wild out here in this paint world, man. Back when I started this trade, man, we were men. It was man's man. Now, boy, y'all some little Trigger. Boy, y'all need to cut that out, boy. Like, for real. It's women painters I know that's more manly than some of y'all that's acting like that, man. Chill out. Chill out. And talking about a rebuild kit, man, I've been spraying with this gun 25 years, man. This gun right here, the Divas. 25 years I've been painting with this gun. And professional paint, y'all. Not no outdoor backyard boogie paint. I mean professional dealership painting, 25 years. I ain't never bought no rebuild kit, man. What y'all even talking about, man? All y'all be just some internet, I don't even know, man. Not my group, I know my group is solid. You know what I'm saying? Y'all boys out there, you know what I'm saying? Caco, Steel City. Man, y'all know who y'all live, man. You know what I'm saying? Steel City, Capri, y'all know who y'all live, man. My group is solid. But it's these little outsiders that come in, you know what I'm saying, and just want to be with a little G-string on, you know what I'm saying? But a rebuild kit, man, I ain't never bought a rebuild kit, man. Like, y'all stupid, man. I ain't even gonna, like I said, I delete them from the channel. Like, as soon as I see it, well, you get removed, like, you don't even get no airtime. Ain't nobody gonna read your stuff, you know what I'm saying? Cause you a sucker and you don't belong here in Triggerland, you know what I'm saying? You were supposed to stop 10 miles back at Rainbow Ranch. That's where you belong, but somehow you winded up in Triggerland. So I sent you back, Ubered, you know what I'm saying? So anyway, that's what we doing, man. 3-stage, red pearl, that's what we gonna do. And we gonna do it with the Vevor, and we gonna rub it in their face cause they mad, little sucker. Now I really wanna tell you what to sucker, but I gotta keep it YouTube family friendly and laugh. Triggerland, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, that part, that's what we gonna do. So I'm gonna go mass up, mix up, and we gonna get to it, and we gonna make the suckers mad. Blah. All right, let's get into it. Yeah, man, so if y'all know, if the boy Trigger Man wind up missing, you know, one of them paint villains and came and got me, man. They took me out. One of them nutcases with Iwata or Vevor Jet tattooed on their arm. You know what I'm saying? You know them type, man. Them boy, they're ruthless. Yeah, going with the base coat first, man. See how bright this base is? Almost reminds me of that 46V. The deadly, scariest factory paint out there that everybody's scared of. This is very similar to that. Has a real light, you know, the 46V is more like a coral kind of color, but it's close to it. Stay below that body line. See, I'm staying off that body line. And what I'm doing on this, here, I don't usually do this, but what I'm gonna do this time is I reduced my base with the color blender, or the base coat blender, 50-50, and also added in an extra bit of slow reducer. So I put that in there and fanned it out and blended it out. A couple guys asked me in another video, could you do that? Yes, you can. I don't really need to do it, but that's what I went ahead and did just there. 50-50 with your base blender, the clear base coat, you know, your wet bed, 50-50 with your base. And I like to add in some extra slow reducer. And you go ahead and fan that out a little more. You know, some people like that extra bit of security, and that will give you that. Now I'm going with the mid coat. Going with the mid coat. We're just gonna go ahead and take it on up top. Yeah, man, them paint people going crazy, man. They going crazy. They coming at Trigger, man. And a couple guys out there like the message. You know, when I see the old stupid message, and then I see it's got like 2 likes next to it, so I know it's some more of you out there lurking around. You know what I'm saying? You guys, please feel free to unsubscribe, please. You know what I'm saying? I'd rather have less subscribers, but a real tribe of like-minded men and women that are all just trying to get better, man. You know what I'm saying? All just trying to get better. I learned from some of you guys. You learned from me, and that's the way it is. That's what I'm looking for. You know what I'm saying? Right now I'm at 1,300 subscribers. I do not mind waking up tomorrow morning to 1,100. Trust me, I don't, man. I'm that type of dude, man. I do not care. If you in here for that type of stuff, man, just to talk crap, please. Adios. Going with the clear coat. With the Vevor. And I was gonna make it extra wet, man, but I said, nah, let me lighten up. Let me lighten up. I was really gonna kill it on them, man, but I'm gonna lighten up, you know what I'm saying? Cause, man, they ready to come at me, man. Them boys coming at me. I gotta remote start my car now. I don't know if they done hooked up a bomb under my car or something, man. These people going crazy, boy, on Trigger Man, boy. I was gonna make it extra wet and probably hit 3 coats on you, just so they can like, oh my God, I just spent $900, $800 on a spray gun. He's doing that with this little cheap piece of crap. Ah! You know what I'm saying? But I ain't hit him with it, man. I didn't hit it with it. My girl told me, she like, no, Trigger, baby. Don't do that, man. These dudes gonna jump off a bridge. Don't do that, baby. I said, all right, baby. All right, baby. 1 coat. Going with the 2nd coat. But yeah, man, so you guys lighten up, man. We just having fun, man, you know? We ain't really trying to be all crazy with it, man. I just be having fun, man. You know, I don't come like that, you know? Hey, Trigger Man just be having fun, man. Don't shoot that Trigger. But yeah, so just another one of those 3-stage red, pearl, candy type. It's not a candy, so it's a candy type. But yeah, just a quickie, man. You see, in and out. You know, really don't put too much thought into it, man. I know some of you guys with those white pearls and these red 3 stages. You know, a couple guys message me and they get a little freaked out by them, but don't get like that, man. It's just get in there and get it, man. Don't think about it. Just know what you're doing. Know the procedure. Follow the procedure, and it'll be okay. See, I just went in there and just went to slanging that paint, and that's it, man. So that's it. Two coats on them. Nothing too wet. I didn't go too wet because they're mad right now. So. All right. We got it done. We got it done. This is what we're looking like on a Ford. You know what I'm saying? On a Ford. Not too bad for a Ford. It is with the Vevor, cause we still living La Vevor Loca. Hey man, y'all dudes, man, don't be so upset with Trigger, man. You know what I'm saying? All I'm doing is just taking a little cheap piece of metal and turning it into glass. You know what I'm saying? Don't get mad at me. You know what I'm saying? If you can't paint, man, you know, UPS is hiring, Amazon is hiring, like all that. You know, just if you mad at me because I'm using a cheap gun and making the work look good. Man, that's a problem with you, brother, you know what I mean? UPS hiring, FedEx, like all them places, man. Painting probably just ain't for you, you know what I'm saying? Hey, but I done gave you 4 minutes of fame without mentioning your name, and that's gonna be it, you know? Anytime y'all get in there with the trigger man, you ain't getting nothing. You might get 4 minutes and 3 minutes and delete, block, gone. Like, ain't nobody gonna even acknowledge you, you know what I mean? Just go to a different channel. If you can't watch your manners, you know what I'm saying? Go to a different channel, that's it, that's all. In my house, you're gonna wipe your feet, you're gonna watch your mouth. In my house, you did. But anyway, man, the Vevor, that's what we're looking like. Going to get you one. Link in the description if you want to buy you one. $89, $89. They going fast, they going fast. They going fast, you better get them while supplies last. Oh, that's your ass. Boom. All right, that's what we looking like outside. So remember, guys, don't take it so serious, man. Don't beat up on old Trigger, man. We just here to laugh, learn, have fun, man. That's it. That's all we're doing, man. Don't be so cruel. Well, yeah, this your boy Trigger signing off. Please like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, and please tell his girlfriend. Peace.